What if I told you that the very foods doctors warn you against could actually heal your liver? After 30 years in medicine, I've discovered something that completely challenges everything we've been taught about fatty liver disease. And the pharmaceutical companies, they don't want you to know this. I'm Dr. Beendra, and today I'm sharing a medical truth that could save your liver. Now, here's what most people don't understand. Yes, excessive alcohol damages the liver. We all know that. But there's a silent epidemic affecting millions worldwide, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. And here's the twist that shocked even me after 3 decades of medical practice. Your liver isn't becoming fatty because you're eating too much fat. It's becoming fatty because you're missing something critical. There's a specific nutrient so powerful, so essential, that without it, your liver literally cannot release stored fat. It's trapped. And this deficiency is affecting nearly everyone with fatty liver disease. What is this nutrient? It's called choline, and I guarantee you've never heard your doctor mention it. Choline functions similarly to B vitamins in your body. It works alongside B12 and folic acid, but its primary job, extracting fat from your liver cells. Without adequate choline, fat accumulates in your liver like garbage that never gets collected. But choline does far more. Brain function, essential for memory and cognitive health. Muscle function, required for proper nerve signals. Cell membrane integrity. Every cell in your body needs it. Here's what concerns me most. Choline deficiency is incredibly common, yet rarely diagnosed. Even more alarming. There's a widespread genetic variation called polymorphism that prevents many people from utilizing choline efficiently. Even if they're consuming normal amounts, their bodies simply can't process it effectively. If you're discovering this information for the first time, do me a favor, subscribe to Dr. Beendra's channel. I'm committed to sharing medical truths that can transform your health, backed by 30 years of clinical experience. Beyond the obvious culprits, alcohol, excessive carbohydrates, certain medications, and inflammatory seed oils high in omega-6, there are 4 medical conditions that cause fatty liver, and they all point back to the same nutritional deficiency. Severe eating disorders. Conditions like anorexia nervosa create extreme malnutrition. Without choline, vitamin D, folic acid, B12, and B3, the liver cannot function properly. The irony? Starving yourself actually makes your liver store more fat. Gastric bypass surgery. When surgeons reroute your digestive system, they bypass the exact areas where your body absorbs these critical nutrients. The result? Nutrient deficiencies that directly trigger fatty liver disease. Intravenous nutrition. Patients receiving IV nutrition often develop fatty liver because these solutions contain synthetic nutrients and dextrose, synthetic sugar, but lack the complete spectrum of vitamins needed for liver protection. Long-term IV nutrition almost guarantees liver fat accumulation, antibiotic overuse. This one surprised even me. Your gut bacteria produce choline. When antibiotics destroy your microbiome, they're simultaneously destroying your body's choline factory. This is why patients on long-term antibiotics often develop liver problems. Now, here's the beautiful irony that I love explaining to my patients. The foods richest in choline are the exact foods many doctors tell you to avoid. Egg yolks, the #1 source. Yes, the part everyone throws away. Liver, organ meats are nutritional powerhouses. Beef, particularly grass-fed varieties, chicken, especially dark meat, fatty salmon, rich in choline and omega-3s, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, almonds, moderate amounts. Let me be crystal clear based on 3 decades of medical practice. Dietary fat does not cause fatty liver. When you see studies claiming it does, read carefully. Those studies always involve high fat plus high carbohydrate diets. It's the carbohydrates and sugars, particularly fructose, that trigger liver fat storage, not the fat itself. Whether your fatty liver stems from alcohol, sugar, medications, or nutritional deficiencies, here's my clinical recommendation. Supplement with Choline. I recommend approximately 30 milligrams daily. This therapeutic dose accelerates fat removal from liver cells dramatically. Eat choline-rich foods daily. Focus on eggs, quality meats, and cruciferous vegetables. Don't fear these foods. They're healing your liver, not harming it. Consider a ketogenic approach. Clinical research shows that a properly formulated low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet can reduce liver fat by up to 50% in just 2 weeks. The science is remarkable. Eliminate the real culprits, reduce or eliminate added sugars, fructose, refined carbohydrates, and inflammatory seed oils. After 30 years in medicine, I've learned that conventional wisdom isn't always correct. Your liver has an incredible ability to heal itself, but only when you provide the right nutrients. If this information has opened your eyes to a different approach to liver health, I encourage you to subscribe to Dr. Beendra's channel. I'm dedicated to sharing evidence-based medical insights that empower you to take control of your health naturally. Remember, your body wants to heal. Sometimes it just needs the right tools.